Portland, Oregon, doing a 40 mod project in 5 days. We're at the 72nd project. It's a housing project in Portland. We've got 28 modules that we made in the factory. We'll have 40 picks or 40 modules we'll actually set because we have saw boxes included in those 28 modules. The superintendent on the project has been phenomenal. Tuyo, they've been right on top of everything. Very welcoming development company. The set company, Bent Level, has just gone above and beyond. I'm very impressed with them after being on a few sets. So Monday we showed up, got the crane rigged in.
The ground last week had 6-foot ditches through this whole place. We thought we were going to get pushed out because of the weather, so we ended up bringing in a lot of steel plates and a lot of rock and stuff to make it happen.
Set 8 mods the first day, set 10 mods the second day, and we set 9 today with the crane mob. This project's got decks included in it. It's got great exposure just to foliage around it. It's just well placed. We just had to work around some of the foliage. It's been a fairly easy project to set with the set company. The crane that we used was a little smaller. We were able to set these modules very easily. Gonna be right. Last thing I want to do is set it and then be like, well, how come you didn't set it that way 3/16 or that way 1/2 inch? I want to go over with everybody on every set and make sure everybody's happy with the stairwells, from the Dens glass being too long versus too short, or whatever it takes. Because you got to look at the long process and hand off to the next guy, so it's good and clean to him.
Transported to Townhomes 2, and then I transported him from Townhomes 2 to the job site here in the 72nd and Prescott. So Townhomes 2 is a port on the Willamette River down in Portland. The customer recognized that for a staging yard, so it was perfect. It's fenced in because there ain't many places around here that you can store kind of floors, and they're going to be safe.
Tomorrow morning at 5:30, we're gonna have 2 mods here. We can start craning to 7. That'll get us 1 lower and 1 upper. Lot 4 will be finished around 11 o'clock, hopefully. Then we can start on the last one and probably have 2 units to set on Friday.
40 modules, 20 residents, 2 stories tall, built by Guerdon.
Cody Humphrey, Bent Level Construction.
PJ Humphrey. I've been doing this pretty much my entire life. My dad was in the manufactured home industry, started Bent Level Construction in 1989. I do Oregon, Washington, California, Idaho, Alaska. We do transportation and installation and crane rigging and stuff like that in the modular industry.
3rd generation doing it for 15 years full time. Before that, it was weekends and summers with my dad, just having a good time. That's why I still got my dad with me, and he's still my biggest hero. Keeps me going.